such a fun time of year. It is now day 2 of our holiday gift guide, and joining me this morning for some delicious, edible gifts, plus some amazing small businesses you can support. I'm joined by chef and cookbook author Raquel Fox. Raquel, great to see you this morning.
Oh, always a pleasure to be here, Lindsey. Thank you guys for having me.
Great to see you too. I think Adele is beside you. We're going to get to her in just a moment as well. But let's start with your first gift idea. It's a meal kit. And tell us more about what we're looking at here.
Okay, Lindsey, so I'm so excited about my holiday chef meal kit. And, you know, viewers now have the opportunity, as they're always reaching out to me and saying, we wish we could taste your food and feel the experience that Ben is feeling,
Yes.
all those expressions. Well, now they have an opportunity. So we have my chef kit where it's coming with marinated, delicious turkey breast. It serves 2, some mashed potatoes, delicious green and wax bean. And this chef kit even comes with a delectable coconut custard pie for dessert. 30 minutes, you can cook along with me at Higher Live. I'll be doing a live class on November 22nd, so you can follow along. But what's more exciting is the draw, the competition. So if viewers order within the next 10 days, you will win a virtual cooking class with me at Higher Live, and up to 10 of your friends cook virtually. You have to order. Shop at Higher Live.
Oh my gosh,
and
so
also,
in the next 10 days. Oh yes, also?
My sauce kit. I'm so excited. After 2 years, it's finally here. So you can have delicious meals in 15 minutes. It comes in a set of 3. My delicious Bahama steam sauce that rejuvenates any type of meat, poultry, seafood. My mango jerk sauce, and my sensational Caribbean hot sauce.
I love it. I love it. Love it. Love it. Oh yeah, get on that quickly.
And I must say that if you order, part of the proceeds is going to my favorite charity, which is a wonderful, different book list cultural center. Please go on the website and.
Okay. Oh, Raquel, looks like we lost your audio there for a moment, and then your picture as well. We're going to try to get that back. Oh, I think we can hear you again. Raquel, you there?
You can hear me again?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Yes, I'm here.
I just want to say, I love that, you know, this time of year, being able to do something for somebody else too, so that charitable portion is just so important. Let's move on to some honey, honey. What are we talking about here?
Yes. So Lignum honey. Who would have thought that Jamaica makes the most award-winning honey? Okay, and you know why, Lindsey? Because their bees are always on vacation. Tropical climate, great soil.
I love that.
Forest, Blue Mountain honey, along with Scotch bonnet honey for that holiday turkey. Raw, unpasteurized, natural honey. You can go ahead and taste it on some Greek yogurt.
Okay, I'm going in.
It's the best. It's the best.
Oh,
so
honey.
Ken's charity, his proceeds are going to Food Share. But check out the website for more information on Lignum honey. Now we move on to sea moss.
What is sea moss? What is this?
Healthy.
Yeah?
It's a sea vegetable. It's a new superfood, and it is everything. Helps your skin. Listen, I got carded the last day I went to the liquor store because I put it on as a mask. You can drink it.
Goals, Raquel, goals.
Everything with this. Immune system during this time. Purchase some sea moss to put it in smoothies, make your gel. Go on the website, guys, and check out sea moss. Hi,
amazing.
Karen.
Okay.
And also, I would love to introduce my girlfriend and let you hear her story, Adele Lewis from Strass Appeal, where I get my fabulous Swarovski scarves.
Okay, Adele. Nice to meet you, Adele. Good morning. Tell me about your stuff.
Nice to meet you as well. So my business, Strass Appeal, was born on the idea to provide something cute for women to wear on their heads. And this takes me back to when my mother was going through breast cancer. And when she was going to all those chemo appointments, I remember thinking, gosh, I wish she had something cute to wear. And that stuck with me to the point where I'm now designing and creating and providing these custom, gorgeous scarves for women to wear. So this is a pashmina I'm wearing, and I've been fortunate enough that I've been able to gift some breast cancer survivors with these scarves in honor of my mom. What I'm offering today in my gift pack is one of these pashminas. My new slogan is "The time to unite is now," which is very powerful. It's very now. now. So this Pashmina is the time to unite is now. You'll get one of these in your gift pack, as well as one of my best-selling masks. Also, a compact mirror so you can open that up and see how cute you look in your custom Strass Appeal items.
Absolutely
So you can check me out
Yeah.
at strassappeal.com. I've got lots of options, different types of pashminas. I'm wearing mine on my head, but you could wear it around your shoulders,
It is
around
beautiful.
your waist.
And look, and Adele,
Thank you.
I've got one around my wrist right now. It's absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous stuff. This was a lot of info we've given all of our viewers. You can check out more information on our website, anytimeyourmorning.ca. Raquel and Adele, thank you so much. Great ideas. Thanks for joining us this morning.
I also say to please check out Coconut Village Spa, a wonderful gift set. Check them out on the website, $39.95.
There it is.
Mango exfoliating gel.
Thanks, ladies. We'll be
Thanks for watching. If you like this, be sure to subscribe here.
And you can check out more Your Morning videos right here.